Oh, got a double. There's a fish. Oh my gosh. What's up, everybody? I'm here at Deer Creek this morning fishing for walleye. I caught a smallmouth already, but it got away before I was able to get it on camera. I caught it on the first cast, so today should be a good day. I'm just throwing a crankbait to the shore, slowly bringing it back. This is a mid-depth crankbait. It goes like 8 to 10 feet. So, let's catch some fish. Got a little guy. Tiny. Oh my gosh. Look how tiny that is. There's a fish. Oh my gosh. I think I got a carp. I hope it's not, but I think it is. If it's a big smallie, that would be awesome. Ooh, this thing's big. Oh my gosh. What do we got? Oh, it's a walleye. Nice. That's a good walleye. It's foul hooked. So we can't keep that one, but that one's a little bigger than I would want to keep anyway. That's a good fish. Look at that. That is a beauty. Let it go. Whew, good one. Fish. Good smallmouth by the feel of it. Well, good is questionable, but it is a smallmouth. Not too bad, I guess. There's a good fish. Yeah, that's a good small. No! Oh, that was the biggest smallie of the day by far. Dang, dude. Got something on the Carolina rig. Walleye. Oh, nice little walleye. Got something else. Oh, it's a jumbo perch. Not bad. Alright, I've had people ask how I do my Carolina rig that I fish with a lot lately. Basically what we have is on the main line I have a 1/4 ounce slip weight. This is just a regular egg weight. And then I tie that to a swivel. And then I have an 18 to 24 inch leader tied to a floating jig head. I make these myself. This is a flig, as Tube Dude calls them. I believe he came up with that. And I just made some of my own. This one's a pink tiger. And I just got a half a night crawler on there. Just bouncing this across the bottom as I fish with my crankbait. And if you just use a floating plastic on a regular hook, it fishes just as well. Little walleye. Nice little eye. Oh, got a double. Okay, I hooked that one. I'm just gonna set it down. Ooh, that feels good. What do we got? Smallmouth. Nice fish. Let's get the other one. Oh, that one's off. That's okay. Wait, never mind. We still got it. It was just swimming towards me. What is it? Perch. This little perch. Alright, I'm heading out. It got super hot. It's like 90 something. So I don't want to deal with this anymore, and I have a jacket. So I'm out of here. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.